Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of textbooks, notes, and deadlines, unsure of how to navigate your way to academic success? If the answer is yes, then you're not alone. The struggle is real, but the solution is within reach. Imagine sailing smoothly through your academic journey, armed with the right strategies to conquer any study challenge that comes your way. Picture yourself not just surviving, but thriving in your studies. This isn't a far-fetched dream. It's a reality waiting to unfold, if only you have the right tools in your arsenal. The first tool is time management. Remember, time is your most precious resource. Use it wisely. Establish a consistent study schedule and stick to it. Divide your study time into manageable chunks. Maybe you prefer the Pomodoro technique, studying for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. Or perhaps the 90-minute focus sessions work better for you. Experiment and find what suits you best. Next, prioritize your tasks. It's easy to get overwhelmed with a mountain of assignments and readings. Break it down. Identify what needs immediate attention and what can wait. Use tools like the Eisenhower box to visually categorize your tasks into urgent, important, not urgent, and not important. Thirdly, know your learning style. Do you learn better by seeing, hearing, or doing? Once you identify this, tailor your study techniques accordingly. Visual learners can use mind maps, auditory learners can try recording lectures, and kinesthetic learners can use flashcards or models. Fourthly, take care of your health. A healthy body houses a healthy mind. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can significantly improve your cognitive abilities. Lastly, practice regular revision. Don't wait until the last minute to cram. Regular review of your notes will help you retain information better. In closing, remember these 5 key takeaways. 1. Manage your time effectively. Your study schedule should be consistent and realistic. 2. Prioritize your tasks. Not everything requires your immediate attention. 3. Know your learning style. Use it to your advantage to make studying less daunting. 4. Take care of your health. Your physical well-being directly impacts your academic performance. And 5. Practice regular revision. Cramming is not a sustainable or effective study method. It's time to transform your study habits. It's time to go from feeling overwhelmed to feeling in control. Remember, the key to academic success lies not in working harder, but in working smarter. With these study strategies, you're well on your way to achieving your academic goals. And remember, no matter how daunting the journey may seem, you have the power to navigate your way to success.